croeso i'r stream. Dwi'n edrych. Okay. Gamescom, dych heddiw. So dwi'n mynd i streamio a gwachio do. Plan. That is the plan. Ella fydd gynnau rhywun yn joinio fi. Ella. So yn joinio fi. Nwch chi fod yn joinio mewn. Fel arall. Riding solo. Dwi wedi bod off am chydig. Dwi wedi bod yn Green Man Festival. Certified Adult. Yn Green Man. Eisiau amser dda iawn. Touching grass. Ond rwan dwi'n ôl. Lle dwi fod o flaen computer yn poeni gofod yn video games. Mae'r pre-show ymlaen ar hyn o bryd. Ydw i'n gallu adio. Window capture. Good.
And now you're about to see a couple of games that will make you say,
Yeah, sam ddim lot. Dwi'n gwybod am hwn. Dwi'n gwybod os ydyn nhw'n games newydd ta beth. Let's have a look. Some streamer gyda fi. Gyda fi backup streamer fan ar y gom. Fel arfer am y stwff yn wicio fain llaw. O flaen llaw, dwi yn edrych ymlaen at hwn. Civ 7. It's gonna be buzzing. We love your Civ.
The hound of war
We love your
chases the
board game
scent,
of Civ.
oblivious to the master's leash. True
Oh no,
balance
dwi
lies
yn hoffi enwi
beyond the edge of the
stream
blade.
fi.
Do not take free will for granted. I know
Really,
I
yeah.
did.
Games. Oh. Camera. Just chatting.
A thousand words and tales worn as medals avail naught for a hero self-proclaimed. And what of you, trespasser? Have you come to pry the stone from his boot? It matters. Your fate is sealed by weapon drawn. This day, a bloodline ends.
That's the first song. Yeah.
we all agree that this pre-show is going pretty good so
Benny Harvey, R.I.P. Miss you, big man. Gone but not forgotten.
About the fact that opening night live is minutes away. So here they are, the top 10 reasons to look forward to Gamescom opening night live 2024.
Which one?
Number 10. A new look at Call of Duty Black Ops 6.
Bothered. Illa i chwarae fo? Bothered.
Number 9. An extended look at the gameplay of Dune Awakening. Can I be honest with you for a second?
Ooh,
I didn't
okay.
really get Dune until the second movie, and now I think Dune is cool. Number 8.
Fucking hell.
The tinge of king-like power you feel when dozens of big-budget games desperately beg you to wishlist them. Number 7 reason to look forward to Gamescom Opening Night Live 2024. News from Marvel Rivals.
What?
Number 6. An Indiana Jones and the
Oh, so
Great
that is
Circle
being a fire.
presentation. Because there's
Oh, rhywbeth arall on.
no way it's just another cutscene. At some point, they're going to have to show what it's like to play this game. Like, what button is the whip? Number 5. The reveal of Tarsier Studios' next game. Here's the story with this one.
It's just
So, Tarsier Studios, who made the Little Nightmares games, a few weeks ago, they put out this terrifying teaser with
Goed
like,
boy,
this
man. Als je
sliced
de
open
lijst op een
giant
andere
happy
boy, man.
pig. And then it just says,
Doing panda
Worldwide
boy.
Game Reveal, Gamescom ONL. And that makes me curious. I don't even know what this is. Number 4 reason to look forward to Gamescom Opening Night Live 2024. 50-50 shot Sam Lake shows up with a new dance. Just to be clear here, he is not scheduled to appear, but you always feel like there's a chance. Number 3.
Look boy, man.
The first gameplay of Civilization 7. Number 2.
Oh,
An
nee, nee.
update on Monster Hunter Wilds.
Kijk, toch maar een
Officially,
update, hè?
we're just calling this an update, but there's no way it's just going to be somebody talking. I promise it's going to be nice. And the number 1 reason to look forward to Gamescom Opening Night Live 2024 is... It is always nice to hear a room full of people cheer and be happy about video games. Almost always. But before we can get to any of that, there's still plenty of pre-show to go. Next up, from the studio behind Fury and Haven, here's a brand new trailer for Cairn.
Oh, ja, kom on. Wat is er nou wel? Wat is er iets aan nou wel? Funny really wil je acclaim you in the Olympics. Really enjoy it. Highlights of the Olympics via the vinyl claim. Right?
Are you ready for Cammy? It doesn't look so bad, does it?
This next part is cool. You're going to
Red
see
Knight,
a
White
mysterious
Knight,
trailer for
wish
an
list, don't I?
unannounced game, and then immediately after that, I have an interview with that game's developer. So first, here's this.
Ja, man.
How long has it been? 5 days?
First person farming horror allergen.
I need to get up. But no matter how much I sleep, I still feel tired. Maybe it's because the nights here feel unsettling.
What? Beth yw'ch na teiti?
The only thing that brings me a bit of comfort is that I'll never talk to another human being.
Wow,
ever
man, fatha Daisy.
I've decided that
PUBG.
this abandoned farm will be the place where I die. But until then, that leaves me with the ever-pressing question. How do I fill the time? There's always a lot to do on a farm, and it's good to keep busy. It gets your mind off things, like the things you've lost.
look on. Oh my god.
We'll see what winter brings.
We have the
After the
shadows.
harvest.
Yeah, let's wish list that. We have
Recently, I had the opportunity to talk to the solo developer behind We Harvest Shadows, David Whaley.
What's up? Thanks for having me. It's a great honor.
Heck yeah, we're happy to have you. How would you label We Harvest Shadows?
We Harvest Shadows is officially, I call it, a first-person farming horror allegory. And it's because I wanted to do a lot of weird things with this game. I wanted to make a beautiful horror game. It's very personal, story-wise. I call it anti-cozy game, which you're probably wondering, how does that even work? I think a lot of us, we had a hard time during the pandemic, and like Animal Crossing.
Yay,
that saved my
pandemic
life.
talk.
Extremely cozy.
Yes, extremely cozy. And
No,
I
Animal
was
Crossing.
I wonder if we can take this type of gameplay, which is relaxing, and twist it in an unusual way to make a gameplay experience that's unlike anything else. And so I want this game to be relaxing, but I also want it to be terrifying.
So I think an interesting part of that trailer is when you get your first objective on that notepad and it just says leave house, which seems like a simple thing, but I'm wondering in the game itself, is it going to be like a mechanically difficult thing to do?
I don't want to spoil
Steam.
anything, but
Gamescom
in the
2024.
trailer, I wanted to show this main character, his mental state, and how his capacity is different. And maybe sometimes we want to judge people that, like, oh, they can't leave the house, what's the big deal? But I've had days like that where that's the hardest thing in the world. And I wanted these mental hurdles to become real. Like, they're figurative challenges, but they become like literal challenges and sometimes literal demons in the game.
I've been there where leave house is a difficult objective of the day. I've been there.
Yep, me too.
No, I get that. What is something from that trailer you hope people didn't miss?
There is like some hidden things in the trailer. There might be there might be some eagle-eyed viewers, but a big theme of the game is that he wants to be alone forever, right? But he's actually being watched at all times. And so in the trailer, there's a lot of hidden faces, scary things looking at him. So maybe people can go back and see if they can find him.
David Whaley, thank you so much for joining us. Have a great Gamescom.
Thank you so much for having me.
Gamescom.
Thanks again to David for taking the time to do this and bringing the vibes back up. And I think now is as good a time as any for a super scary trailer with biblical undertones.
Ooh, yeah. It's a scary games, this.
True horror often doesn't present itself in the way we expect or desire. But I will reveal to you the real horror.
Fluent test. Oh, I'm just gonna be ahead. Okay. Spinning. Nice,
Bellissimo. Next up is a trailer
Bellissimo.
that works better if I don't even set it up. So here's a good trailer to watch.
Stuck on a planet with nowhere to poop?
The juiciest burgers in the galaxy. Burger Squirt.
Wacky Extreme Learning Smartbot from Hot Whiz.
Radical! I smush it down my throat.
Our new Ding Dong!
Greetings, brave explorer. We here at Alta Interglobal would like to welcome you to our newest venture, the colonization of space. You've spent almost a century hurtling through the universe in cryosleep, ready to begin your work on this strange alien planet. Unfortunately, changing market conditions have led us to the realization that space exploration is far too costly and unpredictable, and Alta has decided to cancel all future plans in space. I regret to inform you that you have therefore been made redundant. Your final check has been sent. We thank you for your service, and we hope you eventually find a way home. Good luck.
Games. It's really interesting on that. Not on the list.
Next up, we've got Inzoi, which is a new life sim game. It's like The Sims, but more beautiful. If you are interested in getting a head start on creating your characters, this next trailer is for you.
Good. Sims knockoff. Sims and free to play random on there. That. Mae'n hollol dibynol pwy sy'n neud y gem. Inzoi. Mae fatha'r map dwytha yn Final Fantasy XIV Dawnstone. My fellow gamers here. Type 9, Type 9, Type 9, sure. Wishlist.
Welcome back to the Gamescom Opening Night Live 2024 pre-show,
day.
where we are
Wish
getting
list
people
stuff
excited for a big night of video game trailers by showing you more and more game trailers. And next up is another brand new game announcement.
I've always wanted to fly.
Yeah,
the joy of it, the freedom of it, to just take your life in your hands and soar. I think that's in us all, isn't it? At least that's what my dad taught me.
People come out there all blind. What? We're done with our zombie games. If it ain't Left 4 Dead 2, it's really of interest. Nah, put on my car wish list.
This might be hard for you to believe, but we have just one trailer left in this pre-show. You might remember, back at Summer Game Fest, Capcom announced that Terry Bogard would be joining Season 2
Oh
of
yes,
Street
du
Fighter
massive
6.
Street Fighter fan.
Then, last
Du
month
massive
at
Street
EVO,
Fighter fan. En
we all got to see what his in-game character model looks like. But tonight, now, in this moment, Terry's about to power dunk all doubts. Here is the Street Fighter 6 Terry Bogard gameplay reveal.
Oh my god, what? Ooh, kind of it. I don't know, classic quips, no. That's the one big deal of the Terry Bogard and Wolves on Twitter and SNK character or Fatal Fury King of Fighters. I fight with the Capcom Street Fighter game. Pretty much insane. Oh my god.
Now, where to tomorrow?
Good stuff, Terry.
Ooh,
And
wow.
that's it for the pre-show. Gamescom opening
Well,
night
probably
live
just go more than I just
2024
seen
is
that.
now officially just seconds away. Thank you for
Seconds
hanging out
away.
with me here and Mucho too. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.
And in seconds away.
Please welcome your host, the creator of the Game Awards, Jeff Keighley.
Okay, come on, I'm gonna read the intro. Let's see it go. It's much insane. Main man, Jeff Keighley, you know.
Guten Abend, Gamescom!
Guten Abend.
And hello to everyone watching around the world. This is opening night live from beautiful Cologne, Germany. And we have our biggest live audience of fans ever here at Köln Messe. Over 5,000 people together as a community to celebrate our love of games. And of course, millions of you watching online around the world. Welcome. We have gathered for the grand kickoff to Gamescom, the world's biggest in-person video game event, and this is our 6th opening night live. Now tonight, for the first time, we have a live sign language stream of ONL to make the show even more accessible. Thank you to Kaborski, who's signing the show right now. Thank you, Kaborski.
No, pretty cool.
Now, while the game industry certainly has
one.
faced challenges this year, I know that ONL will get you excited about what's to come later this year and in 2025 and beyond.
The best of
Now, over the
ONL.
next 2 hours, you're going to see world premieres from
2
studios
hours,
big and
Chappie.
small, including, yes, some new game announcements you're not expecting and some surprises. So get ready. From Monster Hunter to Indiana Jones, Dune to Civilization, Call of Duty to Marvel Rivals, the most anticipated games will be on stage tonight because they wanted to be here with you guys at Gamescom, and I am so honored and grateful to have the opportunity to present these games to you.
Kind of Death Stranding 2, huh?
So Gamescom, Sensi bereit for the world premiere? I tried it. All right, here's our first world premiere, a brand new game announcement. This one hasn't leaked, and it's exclusive right here at ONL.
Right, so they have the leak thing, it's insane. Not actual gameplay. Oh my god, 2K. Ah. Sid med Gearbox med de fucking hundene. Please better than Borderlands. Better than Borderlands. Na ei chance i Gearbox os dyn nhw'n ei rhywbeth o blaen Borderlands. Borderlands 4, yun yun. Borderlands yn weird, mae'r... Dwi'n cael gameplay. Fucking casau yr world.
There you go. All right, that's right. Borderlands 4 is coming in 2025. Next up, October 25th marks the release of Call of Duty Black Ops 6. To debut an extended look at the campaign gameplay, please welcome John Zuck and Catherine Anderson from Raven Software.
Raven Software cychwyd efo Quake November.
Black Ops returns with an epic story and signature blockbuster action where players question everything and trust no one. It features an all-new campaign with 16 new multiplayer maps, with the return of classic Prestige and Theater mode, and 2 brand new Zombies experiences on day 1. You'll see live MP, Zombies, and Warzone gameplay at the Call of Duty Next event on August 28th. And starting on August 30th, you'll be able to join the MP Open Beta to try out the brand new Omni movement system for yourself. But today, we're here representing the Raven team, who's leading the campaign in partnership with Treyarch.
The Black Ops 6 campaign is set in the early 90s, a time of global turmoil and uncertainty as the Cold War comes to an end. You're joined by legendary characters Frank Woods, the grizzled vet, and Russell Adler, the ultimate wild card. Together with new allies Troy Marshall and Jane Harrow, and unbound by normal rules of engagement,
Cold War.
You'll unravel a mind-bending conspiracy. In the mission we're about to show you, our rogue team has targeted a senator attending a political fundraiser in order to gain access to a top-secret black site underneath Washington, D.C.
This is Most Wanted.
So we're gonna show up to this fundraiser, get what we need from the senator, then grab Adler from the black site before anyone knows what's happened. Camera actually works.
Sometimes I surprise even myself.
Let's just hope Sev and Case can get the retinal scan.
Senator's on stage now. Use your camera to get a better look. The senator isn't giving interviews tonight.
The missions
look
looks
more
more
without his security detail. I've marked a few leads that could help get you close enough to do the retinal scan. Take your pick.
I got it on good authority that the senator stole some sensitive information from the people I work for.
Who the hell are you? Blackmailing a senator with sex tapes. Can't beat the classics.
I've cleaned up another of your messes.
Lee Grisham, head of security for Aldrain Energy.
Grisham might be our way to McKenna.
I modified the infrared image to highlight the capillaries in the senator's retina. It should have just enough resolution.
Please help. They jumped me during shift change. Knew our schedule somehow. Started shooting.
It must be Pantheon. We can do this loud or quiet.
Into a game engine model. Engine yn best at ID Tech 3. Not effing insane.
Easy, Adler. We're here to help.
Guess what's got my message.
The old man says you're worth it. You better be right. Sev, we got the prize.
Good. Now get out. Fast. We've got party crashers up here.
Great. You good to go?
Am now. Take cover!
Stay low until that minigun stops spinning.
Hamsa poi in hetta guarda. Poi tu man. Was the most fucking Call of Duty. Yeah, si rendono in the fucking...
Stay down.
Nice work.
These Pantheon guys literally sent the big guns after you, Adler. How's that feel?
Like progress.
Up through the service hatch. You two first. I'll give you a boost. You first, Adler. Come on, Case. Easier coming down. Here. Almost home free. Adler!
I got you.
Man, you're heavier than you look.
Thanks. Hope you have a plan B.
Same as plan A. Go up. We'll just take the scenic route. Let's get
Oh
moving.
my god, die misten me doorheen. Dus Call of Duty, ja. Waarin ik voor me gewoon die afstand met Game Pass. Retail en Xbox Game Pass. Is daar goed naar? Microsoft PS region.
Yeah, we're ready for X-Field. What's the play?
No play. This place is surrounded by cops. We can't reach you.
M16 of Polonza. That's not very... The control,
We
yeah.
can't outgun them. We outrun them.
Just like that, huh?
Just like that.
Wow, cool.
Ever do anything like this before?
No. But I don't see any better options, and I'm running out of bullets.
Cool. Was a big
It's
just like fucking kids. Fatha ma' nhw'n just yn... O, ti'n meddwl, pob action yn chwarae compared gymaint o hynny. Nawn ni just neud... O'n i'n just neud token... missions efo blockbuster bits a dyn efo Call of Duty.
There you go, Black Ops 6, more coming at Call of Duty next. And now I'm honored to introduce my co-host for Opening Night Live. You know her from her years of hosting League of Legends esports around the world. Did you know that she got her start as a competitive Unreal Tournament player? That's
What?
right, please join me in welcoming to ONL, Shox!
And hello, Gamescom. Thank you for the warm welcome. Unreal Tournament, that is quite the throwback, but I am so excited to be here tonight, revealing many of the games on Opening Night Live and highlighting events happening during this Gamescom week in Cologne. Gamescom really is the best week for games worldwide every year, and I am so stoked to be back here with you all celebrating it. Now, it is my pleasure to share a message from Gamescom to you, our gaming community.
Dear future me, I hope you are happy. I hope you visit wonderful places, that you have friends from places far away, and that you always have the best adventures, that you fight for the things you love, and that you love the things you do. Dear future me, my favorite thing in the world is to play. Do you like to play too?
Yeah. Hold on, let's say no.
Yes, the future is here, and we are ready to play. Let's take a look at this fun trailer.
Ooh, PS1 graphics. We unsecure PS1 graphics. Oh my god.
Hey, you. You're finally awake. You were trying to cross the border. You're finally awake. You were trying to cross the border.
What? What's going to howl here? Okay, maar even kijken. Oh, nog even. God Simulator. I'm looking forward to it. Get it up, so the intro is cool. No, I didn't figure out Simulator. But Simulator remastered it. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. In my opinion, that looked like the GOAT of all remasters.
That's becoming a good of it.
Okay. Well, we are expecting hundreds of thousands of fans at Gamescom this year in person, but if you cannot be here with us, don't worry. You can join us virtually by going to Gamescom Global, where you can explore and discover what the world's gaming industry has in store for you. And our very own Gamescom studio is here with all-day coverage of the event, so tune in to Gamescom Studios broadcast by IGN on Twitch or on YouTube.
Hey, Jens,
now, we have some news on Persona 3 Reload and its next DLC episode, Aegis, The Answer, coming on September 10th. It's time to reveal a surprising boss fight coming to the game.
What? The answer
tomorrow and all the days after it will be March 31st. It's like Tartarus all over again. There is a strong connection between all of you and what's happening. Let's just open it.
Jullie gewoon een PS2 version van
Something's wrong.
Dus je hem nog laten zien. Maar gewoon kunnen we verder. Oh my god. Persona 5.
Why is it after us? Persona!
What?
Here it comes.
Little Joker fun there. All right.
What? Joker?
Next up, we have another new game announcement for you right here exclusively at Gamescom Opening Night Live.
Oh, shut up, son this. Engine footage and gameplay. Okay.
The tracks lead this way.
Tango down. Mission failed. We'll get him next time.
He's close.
He's close. I sound like Captain Price.
Stand guard.
For some reason we don't wear any gloves, even though we got head to toe armor.
Bloody hell.
Bloody hell, what the hell's going on here? It's kind of zombie or a vampire.
Contact!
Every man has an animal within. If you push too much, you might unleash the beast.
Oh, fucking pissed, yeah. Oh, fucking. Yeah, we'll probably do that. Måste bli möjligt här, ja. Dying Light. Die rode gewoon in Dying Light. Wat heb ik geweest? Ik denk zo'n keer echt wel.
There you go. Kyle Crane is back in a new zombie adventure set in the Dying Light world with 20 hours of gameplay, a new open world region, and more in Dying Light: The Beast. Next, today marks the launch for the most wishlisted game right now on Steam, and also, last I checked, the biggest single-player game ever on Steam with over 2 million concurrent players today, Black Myth Wukong from Game Science in China, which is also out on the PlayStation 5. And right now, we've got the reveal of the launch trailer for you.
Game echt de berg, can't see. Waarom een boss fight? Maar dat very mediocre. Bad journey to the west and awesome. Apparently, man, play Dark Souls and mwy God of War. Edrach yna, look fel e. Mwyd hanner stwff yn sbia chwaith. Sucker and big massive bosses again. Gaia eventually, Will. Eventually, Gaia. Oh yes! 50 days. Oh, the wish list gonna be there. On the follower E. Butikai a dim I fighters. So 3D. Super Saiyan. God, but Dragon Ball also.
互いの限界の力でやり合おうぜ。オラに元気を分けてくれ。
Piotr, geen geweten. Iemand
Welcome back to Gamescom Opening Night Live here in beautiful Wargok.
Who's ready to roll? Live from the Construct Coliseum, it's time for everyone's favorite game, King of Meat! We joined recently kidnapped celebrity guest contender Jeff Keighley at the starting line.
Wait, starting line?
And that battle cry proves how committed Jeff is to any project. Let's check the soch with our sideline reporter.
This dungeon is throwing everything at these contenders, but the JK machine is leading the way to the finish line, and the chat is blowing.
What is all this?
Adult cartoons was a mistake.
And a giant horse trying to hoof me?
An eloquent and marketing-friendly description of the game, not to mention a perfectly timed transition to the world premiere trailer for King of Meat.
Ready for action? Ready for mayhem? Ready for gold and
Oh my god, dat is Castle, ja. What?
Challenges from the most twisted minds of the most ghoulish dungeon creators are transformed into monsters.
Doritos Crash Course on Xbox 360. Dal in our best games couch co-op. Bunu hiç kolkayız.
This is King of Meat.
Okay, been in the north. Amazon Games.
Still got it, Keighley. Still got it. Welcome back to Opening Night Live for real this time, and that was the announcement of King of Meat, an online co-op spectacle for 1 to 4 players from Glowmade in Guildford, England, and Amazon Games for console and PC. And you can sign up at kingofmeat.com for future playtests. Now, one of the things I absolutely love about making these shows is that we get to introduce you to brand new games and teams like this one. To reveal their first game from their new studio, FuzzyBot, please welcome Tatania Dislova and Max Spielberg. Hello? Max? Guys, welcome to ONL. I'm very excited to share this game with the world.
What made you copy
can you tell us a little bit about your
Overwatch?
studio, first of all?
Yeah, well, first off, it's totally surreal to be here right now. We started the studio back in 2020, and the majority of us had come from the AAA side of the industry. And at the time, we were just thrilled to have our own game, our own IP.
Max Spielberg.
And we
Ik heb
could
echt een
never
spel.
expect being on this stage tonight at the end of that run.
The vision for our studio started with the idea of dreaming big and building smart. The concept for our first game, even early on, felt very unique and full of heart, and this helped us bring together a very passionate team of talented developers. It's through their skill, dedication, and true love for the game that we're able to be here tonight, going way beyond where we thought we'd be.
Didn't it
Well, I
overtime?
got to play this a few months ago with you guys. I had a ton of fun. Tell us a bit about your game, Linked.
Yeah, so our debut game is called Linked, Banner of the Spark. It's a co-op action hack and slash with a bit of roguelite and town building elements. And so we blended these ideas together to create this cozy yet highly kinetic action game for players to brawl, build, and befriend a crew of adorable robots. In it, it's the year 3000, and you're going to take on the role as one of the last remaining humans on planet Earth. Allying with a friendly bot faction, you're going to aim to take down the combat army hell-bent on organic destruction. Players can play alone or with friends in this vibrant world of robots.
Or a simpler way that I like to describe it sometimes is
Overwatch
go out
2.
and fight the evil robots and then collect their body parts to build a sustainable town of your dreams while saving the cute ones. We are incredibly proud to finally reveal the delightful world of Linked Banner of the Spark. And we hope the players get as much joy out of playing it as we have built it.
Really cool Overwatch though.
Well, we're very excited to show it to the world for the first time. Let's take a look at the world premiere reveal trailer.
Woo!
Thanks, guys.
O, oce. O'n i'n disgwyl isometric. Oce, dwi'n licio sydd ar camera. Builder stuff, yes please.
Lloyd will lead the logo release.
Mae fatha Hades, ydy. Dawn, dwi'n chwarae Hades 2. Get on that. Ollie Inc. Yeah,
Well, I think...
No! No, dwi'n wertha.
Some run at dawn. Others run to grab our breakfast deal for only $2.79.
Estimated collision in T-minus 5. 4.
Carrying out collision avoidance.
No! This ain't good. Since we can hold on.
Satellite collision averted.
It takes the whole force to protect space. Join us.
Floating back.
Hey! She actually showed. Welcome!
I remembered Nora. Her energy.
Shit! Where's my fucking pick? The bark one's her favorite.
Oh, in our
I remember
Life is
you.
Strange.
Nice one, Autumn.
You are the coolest.
Skateboarder's wisdom. Never land on your wrist.
I want to see you skateboard, Autumn. I remembered Kat.
Whoa, watch out!
She was like a firecracker.
Fuck! This is serious. We're gonna need a real band name. How about Bloom and Rage?
How could I forget?
Whoa.
Guys.
Last week, my mom found a package on her doorstep.
Wait. Are Bloom and Rage? Are we in trouble?
You'll excuse me if today's sermon is a little different, but today is not a normal Sunday. I wanted to tell you all, we failed in our duty to God. We were told about all of this.
Oh, een spuug zombie game erg.
These here are the last days of this earth. I know this is a punishment. The other place, it's full. So the dead.
Oh my god, stop it with the zombies. Go with the zombie games. No room in hell. No room in my Steam library for,
That game looks great. It's a
games
new look
like
at
that.
the 8-player co-op of No More Room in Hell 2 from Torn Banner up in Canada, where there are deadly
security,
consequences of not sticking close to your
Oherwydd maen
teammates.
nhw'n
I
ofyn i
cannot wait to check
y
that
boi
one
na
out.
jympio
All
stage.
right, our next game, it's been a long time coming for this next one. At the Game Awards in 2021, Embark Studios revealed Arc Raiders, a game that immediately struck a chord with players around the globe. A stunning future Earth where menacing Arc machines threaten humanity's attempts to rebuild. Well, Arc Raiders has evolved a lot since then, and now it's finally time for some news on what's next for this exciting action survival shooter.
Action survival shooter. Let's go.
Where do we go from here?
Go. Ooh.
You've told us nothing of this place. Look at us now.
Come here, stalker.
Raiders.
Look at the highly stylized stalkers.
Playing with fire.
Since the gold career that's on one.
To lose. But even more to gain.
Arc Raiders. Oh, I seen the video there. Arc Raiders. Oh, free to play game. Oh, okay. When I request access. Oh. What's he quite got the cute anime girl? It's in hell cute. Oh, come on. Fucking gotcha elements, there's 100%. Ydych chi'n chwarae hwn o dweud I neb yn chwarae fo. Dwi'n peth dda dwi wedi sylwi. Cos mae'r games yn gallu gwneud goleuon dda wan. Mae shit games yn dechrau dda wan. Dwi'n meddwl hwn yn shit games, dweud dwi. Goleuo stwff neu'n uffar wahaniad. Infinity Nicky. O, mae hwnna'n mynd ar. Warhammer. Emperor. For the Emperor. Heresy. Other stuff. Fucking massive church ships. Lots of Warhammer. Heresy. Heretic. You are a heretic. Dwi'n meddwl bydd pobl sy'n licio Warhammer yn show. No hate gyda fi. Hacker. Chi'n licio Valorant to Overwatch? Yn y mw bandit. Dwi wedi actually chwarae Deadlock. Dwi eisiau cod gyn rwy'n. O, allan y barod. Snap it dyn. Smite still. Yeah, Deadlock ar Steam, game newydd gyn Valve. Mae'n oce, ond dwi fydd y sweat. Na, predecessor. Dwi'n meddwl fydd y sweat yn y game yn unbearable fast iawn. Dwi'n meddwl. Hynna di prediction fi am Deadlock.
What you saw right there was Predecessor, a MOBA shooter built by an indie team from the ashes of Epic Games' Paragon. If you remember that one, it enters 1.0 free-to-play release tonight. Next up, Path of Exile 2 from Grinding Gear Games. It is nearing release. And tonight, yes, we do have news on the early access date. Check this out.
My son, are you clear of mind and stout of heart?
Stout of heart.
I am.
Are you ready to sacrifice? Sacrifice everything to become the savior?
I will.
Do you have the strength to sweep aside this world and build it anew?
I must.
Diablo like doing it. Pobl actually chwarae'n lle Diablo yn y Path of Exile 1. So can you mewn I games fel hyn? Edrych o dda.
Now, are you ready to fulfill your destiny?
I am. Os o free to play? Dwi'n gyrwydd Path of Exile yn mynd.
Yes. I am ready.
Well, that looks absolutely great. Can't wait for that one. And now, Gamescom is known for the cosplay. The vision and dedication cosplayers put into their craft is an inspiration to us all. And to see these amazing cosplayers, you can tune in to the Gamescom Cosplay Awards on Saturday, August 24th at 5 p.m. And if you're into indie games, who isn't, you can watch the best indies of Gamescom in our Gamescom Awesome Indie Show tomorrow at 8 p.m. on Twitch and YouTube. Enjoy exclusive announcements and interviews all packed into an exciting one-hour show hosted by Shay Thompson. Plus, the Gamescom event arena, that is where I am standing right now and all of you are. It is the biggest and most elaborate stage at Gamescom featuring not only Opening Night Live, but additional live shows featuring creators, gaming events, and esports competitions that you can watch either in person or by tuning in online. Now, up next is a first look at the gameplay of June Awakening, the open world survival MMO, and news on when it's going to be released.
There is another path for you. Awaken.
You begin as a nameless prisoner.
Wow.
Sculpt your appearance, choose your background, and then crash into the planet. You are abandoned and alone. Hunted by sandworms. Scorched by the unforgiving sun. Ravaged by sunstroke. Stick to the shade. Chase the moving shadows. Survive. Welcome to Arrakis, the most dangerous planet in the universe. Meet hundreds of other players in the vast online world. Befriend or betray.
Your wrist. I want to see you skateboard on him. I remembered Kat.
Whoa, watch out!
She was like a firecracker.
Taking down territorial deserters. Working with others will always increase your chance of staying alive. The Deserter Base. Climb to a vantage point and prepare for violence. Your choice of weapons and abilities determines your strategy. Swordmasters lead the charge into battle, literally. Repel ranged attacks with a shield, and then take them out, one by one. Deploy the Hunter-Seeker and kill from the shadows. Take what you can from the Fallen. On Arrakis, nothing of value is wasted. Mine, harvest, and gather with your group to build bases and unlock more advanced equipment.
Je kan samen met elkaar weer groep. Scream vriend tegen elkaar.
Refine the blood you collected from your enemies to extract drinkable water.
Wow.
Craft improved equipment using fabricators. Replicate your bases in new locations with the blueprint system, and then sell blueprints of your architectural wonders to other players. Lead your group to become a guild. On Arrakis, a nameless prisoner can rise, construct an ornithopter, and take to the air. The world is yours to claim.
This is Duneman Keith Filari reminding you to bear your return under the full spice laws.
It's like a free and Microsoft Flight Simulator.
The in-game radio provides insight into key events happening across Arrakis. Map the desert. Discover landmarks, wrecked ships, and desert testing stations filled with forgotten technology. Arrakis is a vast planet. You can explore unique locations, uncover valuable resources, and search for secrets amongst the shifting dunes. And then return to civilization triumphant with what you found. Harko Village throngs with people, spice traders, guild bankers, smugglers, house envoys, and of course, other players. Here, you will pledge allegiance to one of the great houses of Dune, the Harkonnen. But remember, to play politics, you need power. And on Arrakis, spice is power. In the deep desert beyond the shield wall, hundreds of players scour the landscape.
Oh, so you're beyond the wall.
Every spice blow has the potential to become a heated battle, with multiple guilds vying for the precious melange. Even when it looks like defeat is inevitable, those who understand desert power can awaken Arrakis itself.
Okay, dwi'n awyddus chwa hwnna. Let's.
Well, you can't have a Dune game without the Sandworms, and the Sandworm summoning begins when Dune Awakening drops on PC early 2025. So the wait is not that long. And now, here is a reveal of a new game from Tarsier Studios, the creators of Little Nightmares 1 and 2.
Ja, klopt inderdaad. Dat Conan Exile. Oh, dat is Mutant Zero. Oké. Right, looking at the items. Hasn't been my thing. Just smell it.
Dead.
Reanimal. Ja, dus hem elkaar. Oh, THQ Nordic. What?
That was Reanimal, the next big entry in the cozy game genre. Now, would you like to discover the secret contents of Gamescom and receive cool rewards? Well, meet Epi, the robot on our website RPG Gamescom Epics. Prove your nerd know-how, solve tricky puzzles, win prizes, gather trading cards, digital trading cards, and jump from level to level until the final boss spawns. Scan the QR code below and the adventure can begin. Now, in its 4th year as an evolving open-world adventure, today Genshin Impact is unveiling more about the 6th Nation of Natlan, which will be released on August 28th. And we also have some news about when the game will be coming to Xbox.
Oh, big Genshin Impact mode. Nah. Erwin anime guy. Nvidia GeForce een hameren pobl ar... Like and comment. There.
Locked on. For the Lord of the Night.
Woohoo! Catch an epic wave! Whoosh!
No, thank you. Okay, Genshin Impact though.
There you go, Genshin Impact, and also coming to Xbox later this year, as we saw. All right, now it's time to head into the wilds of Monster Hunter, which is branded for fans for the first time here at Gamescom. Capcom has an incredible booth. But now, to tell us more and show us more, please welcome to the Gamescom ONL stage, Ryozo Tujimoto from Capcom. Ryozo-san.
Woo!
はい、ドイツの皆様、配信をご覧の皆さん、こんにちは。今日は、モンスターハンターワイルズの最新の映像を持ってきました。まずは、この、時間を作っていただきましたジェフさん、本当にありがとうございます。
Hello to all of my friends in Germany and to the millions watching around the globe. I'm really thankful that Jeff has invited me to the opening night live stage so I can share a new Monster Hunter Wilds trailer with everyone.
今日のですね、今回のですね、ゲームズコンでは、初のプレイヤブル出展も行っています。今後ですね、世界の、いろんなさまざまな地域で、このようなプレイヤブルの出展も、考えていますので、そちらも期待していただけたらと思います。それでは最新の映像をご覧ください。
Before we debut the trailer, I just want to express how excited I am to kick off our season of Monster Hunter Wilds hands-on demos starting at Gamescom. Now, let's take a look at the latest trailer.
We love je Monster Hunter. Love je. Love. Ers op Nintendo Wii.
Lullabarina Floret?
We
must be near its nest.
Oeh, ik ben daar bij de Resident Evil. We moeten binnen. Gespeed daar. Bold guy.
We could do a lot worse for an interim camp.
Once your business here is concluded, you should find shelter. The sands come alive this time of year, like a wild beast bristling with lightning. That must be this region's apex predator. Guild
Yeah.
granted.
Come on.
Begin the hunt.
Understood.
Dwi'n misio massively open world. Dwi'n licio set o fyny a mynd mewn I mission. Yay.
So tasty.
Already wishlisted. Love it now.
Danger
Oh,
lies at every turn. Treasure.
what? I'r collab yma.
Destiny. Everything lost is meant to be found.
Oh. Okay. Ooh, it's okay. Mai din yn cymryd yma, peth y gwrs dwi'n gwybod. Wait a few.
Want a little taste of Shiranui fire?
O, di hi yn... Oh, the wolves. Di hi'n mynd dans o wolves yma.
Feel the flames of the Shiranui clan! Ode on the light, Akatsumi! Fatal Fury, City of the Wolves.
Wow. Yeah. Hwnna'n...
Escort reactor core and upgrade
wishlist yn barod na fi.
St. Dino's have also set their sights on this operation. Be sure to complete the escort before then.
Ready to strike.
Oedd hi'n mynd Mark of the Wolves, though. Cool. Oedd hi yn the Feats of Furious cynt, though. Fatha Armored Core, gefn nes I ddim gorffan, oedd o'n effin anodd.
That was a new look at Mecha Break, the multiplayer mech game. Okay, next we have something exciting for fans of Monument Valley, the beautiful twisted puzzle game that we all played about a decade ago when it was first released in 2014. Well, tonight we are revealing Monument Valley 3 coming later this year from Us2 in London and Netflix Games. I played this. It is an absolutely beautiful, stunning game, and we've got your first look right now.
Yun. No, the puzzle games then. exclusive Netflix game, Momentum Valley 3. What? Oh, one more. Also coming. Okay, 1 or 2. Not even a. Yeah, though.
Monument Valley 3 drops exclusively on Netflix December 10th, 2024. Now, first released in 1991, Civilization is one of the gaming industry's biggest franchises. And here at Gamescom, we are revealing the gameplay of Civilization 7 for the first time. To tell us more, please welcome Ed Beach from Firaxis Games.
Firaxis Game. No, hold your big hit, sir.
Thank you, Shocks. Thank you, Gamescom. It's hard to believe that it's been almost 8 years since Firaxis released our last Civilization game. So we're incredibly honored to be here tonight at Gamescom talking about Civilization 7.
Is she
Civ
pen
7.
absolutely på dim Civ 6. Dimmer rapper.
Civ 7
Så
is by
als er geen
far
Google weet
the
met de
biggest,
kostia. En dan
most
weet jullie waar hij
ambitious
Civ
game
6.
Firaxis has ever made. Everything from its new gameplay features to its gorgeous new art style is designed to immerse you in your own journey through history. Please join us after opening night live on the Firaxis Game Twitch channel for our official gameplay showcase, where we'll deep dive into what's new in Civ 7 and finally reveal our new in-game narrator. On behalf of the team at Firaxis Games, who has worked so hard on this game, I'm so excited to finally give the world its first look at Sid Meier's Civilization 7.
Let's go.
Please, enjoy.
Civilization
Please
was a
enjoy.
game that was created during a time when we were just discovering what games could be.
Oh my god, we love a Civ.
We said, let's put the entire history of the world into a game and make it fun.
That's säkert så liten. Epic. كخل قلت لنا I done district system. We need a district. Space Factory. Always do a Space Factory.
Ever since we first reached for the stars.
Good.
We've been asking ourselves.
Oh, Starfield.
Is out there.
Can you cover Starfield?
And more importantly, can we drive on it?
Drie bij lle. Lle ti'n mynd i dreifio? Sy'n mae bob un byd yn un map. Sy'n byd ar y planeta. Sy'n byd rhwng y planeta. Yn sen.
Velocity at unsafe levels.
Fucking adverts cracker me. Crypto's unregulated in the UK ar gwneud efo na. Hot snooter a llaw arall. Waw, dwi ddim yn edrych ymlaen at hwnna o gwbl. Dwi'n fawr Game Pass.
There's 2 bits of Starfield news for you and a confirmation of the expansion
Mae'r
of Shattered Space that is coming out.
refet dan, hilariously.
Now
Shit.
it's time for an exclusive update on Marvel
Cos
Rivals,
ti'n
the
glanio'r
upcoming
planet,
hero shooter
ti'n
from NetEase
yna wedyn.
Games and Marvel Games.
Ti'n angen mynd,
Tonight
illa?
at ONL, we're revealing 2 new heroes who are joining the game with a first look at their gameplay.
Oh, we're doing a Marvel MOBA. What's a MOBA game? What's a third-person MOBA game? Dwi'n dweud chi fi
Among
gwneud
the
beth.
stars, Wakanda found a new home
Dwi'n mynd i'r impression.
and a new hope. The source of vibranium, the foundation of an empire.
Snap out of it, Bucky.
Oh, want to solve them through them.
Not so fast. Your battle's over.
Nu vill just llall. O.
Stick around. Armed and dangerous.
Chi'n gofio Biocommando? Be os da chi'n... Dwi'n ei di copio Biocommando? Ysgol efo'n Winter Soldier. O, Captain America ddim yn y list. Oh my god.
I can do this all day.
Ie, dwi'n quite on enw it. O, boi mas gofio Dr Doom. Dr Doom from Ultimate Marvel vs Capcom 3. Yeah. Whatever.
Well, I'm sure everyone who played the beta wanted to know Marvel Rivals will launch on December 6th, 2024. Now, Gamescom always strives to help the environment, and the event runs on 100% renewable energy and is climate friendly thanks to ongoing measures to reduce CO2 emissions. Exhibitors participate in the Gamescom Goes Green initiative by reusing their booth builds or avoiding single-use material. And yes, fans are planting more and more trees in the Gamescom forest. The forest has been growing since 2020 thanks to all of your engagement. And all of you can still help, of course. You can plant your tree in the Gamescom forest today. And with that, it is time to reveal the winner of the Gamescom Sustainability Award. This award celebrates an organization in the global game industry committed to sustainability and the environment. Presenting the award, please welcome back Lisa Puck with Playing for the Planet.
Dream Clown Playing for the Planet.
And hello, Gamescom. Thank you for having me again.
Well, it is our absolute pleasure, Lisa. And in case some people don't know and need a quick refresher, Lisa represents Playing for the Planet, an alliance of gaming organizations committed to taking climate action under the official umbrella of the United Nations. So how are things, Lisa?
Things are going great, thank you. With 3.3 billion people around the world playing video games, we encourage everyone to make a difference wherever possible.
Absolutely, and 3.3 billion players is so much. So do you have any tips for our players on supporting this great initiative?
Yes, definitely. It's as easy as remembering to set up energy-saving modes to avoid unnecessary energy consumption, or switching to renewable energy electricity services at home. Everything will make a difference.
Absolutely, every bit helps. Those are great tips, and I already utilize some of those myself, and I hope a lot more people will. But now let's celebrate some of the amazing work already done by gaming companies.
Yes, that would be happy to do that. Anyone can set ambitious decarbonization targets, but delivering on that goal and turning it into emission reductions demands a clear and actionable plan, as well as collaboration. And this year's winner has proven that it's possible to deliver ambition with execution across the board. And this year's winner of the Gamescom Sustainability Award is Tencent Games. And here to accept the award is Brand Irvine, the Vice Chairman of Tencent Games.
Thank you. First of all, let me say on behalf of Tencent Games how honored we are to receive this award. Tencent Games encompasses a lot of things. You know, everything from in-house studios like Timmy, global studios like Shark Mob, to our global publishing arm, Level Infinite. What they all share is a commitment to operating our business in a sustainable way. We are committed to carbon neutrality by 2030, and really want to thank all of our studios, all of our partners, but most of all of our players, whose support is essential to helping us drive our efforts to have positive change within the industry. Thanks again, and back to the games.
Congratulations, Tencent and Brent Irvin.
Woo!
But that is not our only award. Everyone here and at home can vote for their favorite games playable at Gamescom in this year's Gamescom Awards. You can visit Gamescom now to help decide the winners. Voting will only be open until Thursday, August 22nd at 2 p.m. And the awards will then be celebrated this Friday at 2 p.m. at Gamescom Studio. Back to you, Jeff.
Thank you, Shocks. You're doing a great job tonight. All right, we got something really special for you. Please welcome Deadpool director, creator of Love, Death, and Robots, and the co-founder of Blur Studio, Tim Miller.
Say Deadpool. Say.
Thank you, Jeff. Blur Studio has been making cinematics for over 30 years now. That means classics like Quake, Star Wars, Warhammer, Call of Duty, and dozens more. And we do this because we fucking love video games.
Wow! Det räcker. Jag love det.
And every time a trailer comes online, we see hundreds and hundreds of comments from the fans. Like, why don't we see a movie like this? Or why can't we have a series like this? And we could not agree more, which is why we are so excited to share this series with you. 15 original episodes created in collaboration with Amazon Studios and the publishers and developers of some of the world's greatest games. I'm talking new titles, existing games, indies, and classics. So we've been working on this show for 3 years. I get a little upset, choked up, sorry. I cry a lot.
Because this is shit. We've wasted 3 years. Because this is shit.
All right. We've been working on it for 3 years, and I'm very emotional because I'm so excited. And it's finally time. So please enjoy the world premiere teaser of Secret Level. It is our love letter to games. And you can watch the series on Amazon Prime Video on December 10th. Not too far now. So enjoy. Thank you.
10. That's not very fair. Hit it up. Warhammer. So love you. Give a shit to Warhammer. It's really legit 10.
This world has waited for your arrival.
Love, Death, and Robots. Not that.
It is you. You will open the door. Because you are the chosen. All those moments. It's a new adventure.
Just watch her.
Just for you.
a game to play.
Have you played Fortnite?
Young hero, the gods have taken an interest in your odyssey. Try not to disappoint us. No matter what armies you face, what power you wield, or what creatures you unleash, we trust you will find a way to write your own legend.
Ah, fucking Age of Mythology remake, remaster.
Play it day one with Game Pass.
Through the Game Pass. Xbox.
The tower is the only sanctuary we have left.
Tower.
Together, we can give our
Oh, the Castle Crashers.
the hope we need to survive.
For the tower. Frodo. Ooh, Game Pass. Yeah. Delta Force. Kolla, Delta Force nu med. Den som är där. Tror jag det är Delta Force. Oni vasta jealous på vad Delta Force är. PC kör jag kolla Delta Force. Och det är cool. Jag känner det cool. Back in the day.
The conflict between the Alsara Guard and Havoc threatens the balance of the world. The Alsara Guard is a tempest of disorder, sowing chaos wherever it roams. But we,
big home from vibes,
at their very core.
Det är mostly med om den. Delta Force. We got the Cortex, let's go!
Edge technology, but is built on exploitation and suffering. United, we will plunge into the chaos. To find the spark of peace. We are GTI.
GTI. We are Volkswagen Golf GTI. Just spin det, hörna.
Which we are announcing is coming to Steam Next Fest in October in advance of its early access release later this year. All right, let's head back to the Middle Ages for a new look at Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 with its authentic rendition of 15th century Bohemia as an action role-playing game.
Kingdom Come Deliverance back weird though.
I have concluded a very fragile truce with Sigismund, and if anyone should disrupt my plans with headstrong acts of violence, there will be consequences.
Don't worry about me, sire. Will you parley?
Right, eh? We need more people. The best thing would be to recruit from your old comrades.
Well, if they're not already swinging on the gallows somewhere.
Give me a mead and a wrench, and I will have you this day. Vamos, shut up. En dan gaan wij heen. Die moet ik ook on the game. He can't wield a sword, he's a peasant. Now. lle fi drio gynta. Dwi'n cofio nath y developer dy fath really sus.
There is much more from that game coming this week during Gamescom. Now, last month, the
Good Game
ARPG
Pass.
Zenless Zone Zero was released from Hoyoverse, and now we've got the debut of a brand new area of New Eridu. Check it out.
Ooh, yun. Anime. Anime sydd ddim yn gotcha gameplays. That's nice. Anime please swimming in the parkour. Yes, please. Zenless.
The man who came had 10
All of us arall, yeah? Oh my god.
black and one white. They slashed directly at the general's head.
Almost equal to General Fei
Oh, no, arall hwn.
General Fei Xiao?
Genshin Impact arall. Mae'n Genshin Impact i bod yn barod.
I know all her deeds on the battlefield by heart, such as when General Fei Xiao fought her way in and out of enemy ranks 7 times. With a single strike, she knocked down 100 enemies. 1,000. No, 10,000.
She could raise
You're
entire
exaggerating.
cities,
My
leaving
mom told me
nothing
about
but
this.
rubble.
This is what my online friends found at the scene.
The sword in her hand was
Look.
called-
In the
Ew,
form of a
what?
beast rushing forward like lightning, General Fei Xiao shouted among the ruins.
Are you my master?
That's complete nonsense. Nonsense? I have even more impressive.
Game yma'n massive yndi.
Little girl, do you know how to get to the seat of divine foresight?
O, star el, di hwnna. Dwi'n mynd twitio mi'n ein, cos maen nhw'n costio fucking shitload. Mae gyd i wneud efo hel cymeriadau.
これはまたとんでもないマスターに引き当てられたもの。
So ni yn mwy tlawd yn
There's a
y
fun
wan.
little tease, and that was a new look at the space fantasy of Honkai Star Rail and Fei Xiao, a female general known for her prowess in martial arts. Okay, now we're heading to the Arkhamverse for Batman Arkham Shadow. It arrives later this year and is a completely new Arkham story exclusive to MetaQuest 3.
Oh my
I
God.
played a demo of this, and I have to say the team, Camouflage, has done an incredible job bringing the world and combat into VR. And here is your first look at the actual gameplay, a gameplay trailer for Batman Arkham Shadow.
This rat cult spreads through Gotham like a plague.
Os di Half-Life wedi cael bobl i prynu VR headset,
Even if
pa
it
chance gyda
consumes
unrhyw gêm arall? Let's be honest.
The corrupt system has failed you. Are you not angry? Fight back.
It's the freaking bat! We aren't afraid of you! The bat dies tonight!
Ooh,
Jim, this Rat King could be anywhere. A face in the crowd, a foot soldier in his own fanatical mob. So how in the hell do we find him?
Targets are all city employees, civil servants, public officials.
You could have been more than a symbol. You could have been a god.
Look out!
If you don't calm down, someone's going to die.
Alfred, we tried it your way. Now we do it mine.
Something big's going down tonight.
Face for done VR.
We repress our rage, our fears. It feeds the shadow deep inside us.
You're everything that's wrong with Gotham! I'm done holding back.
I can bring the Rat King to you.
Come. Become the night. Become the night. Oh, quest. Till Sal.
Well, that trailer was buzzing, and the whole city is buzzing during this week of games. And this weekend, the heart of our beloved gaming metropolis, Cologne, will transform into the vibrant Gamescom City Festival. There will be great music on 3 stages in the city center of Cologne on both days with another 100,000 guests. Now, if you haven't been there yet, you should definitely go and check it out. That is what's happening in Cologne, and also people from more than 100 countries are here. But Gamescom has fans all over the world, and I have good news. Gamescom is heading to other continents.
Ooh.
The first Gamescom LATAM took place in June and exceeded all of our expectations with over 100,000 fans immersed in the gaming universe. It was a fantastic show, and next year it's going to be even bigger. And Gamescom Asia returns this October. You can join in on the fun and the entertainment area to find out all about the games, the stage shows, cosplay, and much, much more. The ticket shop is already open, or you can also tune in to our online show Primetime on October 17th. Now, who is ready for another world premiere? Announced last year at ONL, here is a new look at Little Nightmares 3.
Oh, nah. Doe je Oh, je looking at Little Nightmares. Oh, nee. In the air. Gyrru chwarae yn y to. Ymbo. Dwi'n chwarae one, dim two. Oh, and the pub pushes a firework. Ai byth na diwn, sgol efo. Be ma hwnna'n atgoffa fi o. Be ma hwnna'n atgoffa fi o. O, be ma'n atgoffa fi o? PS3.
You guys like that one? That's a beautiful game.
Ooh.
Hurdling from Panic and Okamotive, and I'm so glad we could share that with you tonight. All right, Gamescom, we have a special guest joining us next. I grew up playing his games, and many of you did too. Titles like
Oh my God,
Populous,
the game we
Dungeon
done.
Keeper, Magic Carpet, Theme Park, Black and White, and Fable. And tonight he's here to reveal his brand new game, which he's secretly been working on for the past 3 years. Please join me, Gamescom, in welcoming to ONL, Peter
Last
Molyneux.
Guardian. 16, it. Okay, let's go for you. PS4, Last Guardian. Yeah. Wow. Okay.
He's back.
What an incredible honor it is to be here on the stage with Jeff.
I'm gonna lie to you. I'm gonna say stuff here,
This is so
and
fun.
it won't
So
be
a
in the
couple months
game.
ago, you and I had lunch in London. I was
That will be
on?
not
You're like,
my.
well, I've actually been working on a game for a number of years. You've kept very quiet about it.
Yep.
You really wanted to let the game speak for itself. But tell us about Masters of Albion.
Right, so after messing around on mobile, what the hell was I doing? I thought to myself, I need to come home. I need to come home to PC and console. So I've looked at Dungeon Keeper. I've taken some things that I've wanted to explore further with Dungeon Keeper. I've done the same with Black and White. I've taken things from Black and White. I've done the same with Fable.
And
this is what I'm showing tonight.
And to your credit, you've self-funded this project yourself. You put together a team of a lot of veterans from those games.
Yeah, I mean, I think my first realization is I needed to bring the old team back together again. So I'm working with people like Mark Healy and Russell Shaw and Ian Wright, the people that helped on and created Black and White, Dungeon Keeper, and Fable. Anyway, let's have a look at Masters of Albion.
All right, here's the world premiere of Masters of Albion from Peter Molyneux.
This is Masters of Albion. We're a team of 20 people dedicated to making something new, unique, and different. Here we are in the familiar, vast world of Albion, packed with stories, quests, treasures, and monsters. This is Oakridge. By day, you're tasked with building the town up, gaining resources, and earning money. By night, your town will be attacked by many of Albion's creatures. You can design anything.
Oh my God, we're doing a clown and all. Seriously, mate. A black and white sword.
Use the armor they fight with. There is a strategy behind every creation. I can even feed them rats. My town's working hard to make that food. I can help out, or not. I can also design, customize, and create all buildings. Night is coming. The sun is
funny
going
with
down,
the
and now
with the
my
clown
town
and all.
is defending against the horrors of Albion. And this is my hero's time to shine. You don't have to play in God mode. At any point, you can possess a character and play in third person.
Okay.
My hero is now under my complete control, and now it's time to fight.
Really basic. Wat een game Nordic, that open world.
My
You know
hero's
that.
getting overwhelmed. Let's switch back to God mode and unleash some real power.
I'm actually.
Okay, we survived the night. Now, let's design a better weapon for my hero. You can be as silly as you want, but bread swords just won't cut it. This
Ham
is
zegt
just
niet
a
wat een
glimpse of
hero
Masters of
is.
Albion, an open world god game full of combat,
just wat een
choices, mystery,
god.
and story. It's available to wishlist on Steam now.
Oh, I fucking love it. Wishlist in there. It's a new thing. Masters.
Management offers a
Oh.
reminder. We're all here to have fun.
I wonder official.
Player has been eliminated.
Wedyn mae gennych chi crab games. Mae hwn yn gorfod yn well na crab games. So ddim well na crab game at some point.
It's not whether you win or lose. It's how you play the game.
I love a Squid Game. Ydym ni alw yn Squid Game. Oh, the Netflix game? Oh, App Store. Nah. What a way of not making me care.
I've been here before. In the fold. Countless times. Who I was.
It's an FMV game.
Become. All possible futures existing in motion. It is time to awaken.
Oh. Kom Assassin's Creed. Magic Assassin. Hier gaan een alien race, garanteerd. Hier die...
It's my duty, my journey, to step into the unknown.
Os di'r unknown yn... Oedd yn arfer bod yn massively... Is that? About the horizon. No, thank you.
The Marlowe's warlords' retreat has brought peace to the region, with a new faction rising to the north.
Infiltrate the target area and get what's in that safe. The items are valuable, but you must extract alive. We're under attack! They're on the team! We're ready to abort mission! Abort mission!
Action edin. Şöyle. Yeah, whatever. Don't really. That's a
Arena
nothing
Breakout
game.
Infinite is now available in early access with the full release coming at the end of the year. Now, over the years, Blizzard has been a big part of Gamescom history, and this week we are thrilled to welcome them back for the first time since 2019. And to tell us more, here's the president of Blizzard, Johanna Faris. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Welcome to Gamescom.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having us on behalf of Blizzard. This is such a massive moment, but it's such a special time to be sharing it here with everyone at Gamescom, and we're just really honored and grateful to be here.
Well, we're very glad to have you guys back, and I know you got a big booth with Xbox, right?
We do, yes, and come on by if you're here all week long. We're proud of it. But it's also a particularly big moment for Warcraft. We have celebrations and anniversaries galore across Hearthstone, across Rumble, and of course, a very big milestone for World of Warcraft this year.
Yes, speaking of World of Warcraft, The War Within, its global launch is coming up very soon this month, right?
Yes, it is, and we're just days away from the global launch of The War Within. August 26th, it's go time for that, and in 2 days, we'll actually open up early access for players, so we're psyched about it. Come on in and join. And I just want to say it's masterful work from the team. The World Soul Saga opens up such ambitious creative territory for us, arguably some of the most ambitious we've ever seen since WoW initially released 20 years ago. And we can't wait to embark on it and share it with players.
Yeah, it's very exciting that this month is time for that. But I know this is, you said, there's so many Warcraft anniversaries, Blizzard anniversaries, Warcraft anniversaries. How can players be a part of this?
Yeah, there's a ton of ways we're going to be able to celebrate, so we definitely hope that you join us. There will be in-game events that commence in October, so there will be more details on that, but players will be able to earn really cool in-game rewards, and we'll be finding some creative ways to celebrate the history of Azeroth together. And also be on the lookout for our very first Warcraft Direct, where the team will share more in the coming months on all the things going on for the Warcraft universe.
Okay, well, that's exciting. Now, I was wondering about, all the other Blizzard teams. Are they going to get in and celebrate these anniversaries too?
They are. There will be some nice surprises along the way, but I do want to shout out tonight the Overwatch 2 team.
Okay.
They've been doing some amazing work to show their honoring of World of Warcraft and the legacy that it brings. There'll be a new collab in September. We wanted to share tonight with all of you a sneak peek of the very first new skin. It's Widowmaker, and she's embracing her allegiance for the Horde as Sylvanas Windrunner. So be on the lookout for more details from the Overwatch team on that.
Okay, thanks for bringing a little scoop along with you. That's fantastic. Now let's move to another franchise that has a big year, Diablo.
Oh yes, all eyes on October 8th. Yes. We are super excited for the Vessel of Hatred, and we're even more excited that here at Gamescom, the chance to have the first ever live hands-on experience with our very new Spiritborn class. It's beautiful. It's awesome to play, and it's definitely a key part of what makes the Vessel of Hatred so special for us.
All right, well, I understand you might have brought a little something special with you as well.
We have, here's a look at our mercenary companions, so take a look on behalf of the Vessel of Hatred.
Suffering, desolation, horror. This is the road we know in Sanctuary. However, some of us have taken a different path. Bound by secrecy, ready to stand and fight for those who seek us out. My shield is your protection. There was a time we fought the vilest of Sanctuary.
You fools get uglier and uglier.
Until we were left with only our inner demons. But the return of hatred has pulled us back into the light.
Your blood feeds my blade!
And though we now wait, watching from the shadows, we cannot escape who we are. Why we fight.
Please, no! Stay away!
Or the fury that burns within us. I have your back.
I'm with you!
I will not let you down.
Stay back!
See it. Shoot it.
Catch!
Strength in numbers.
I am your guardian.
I am your redemption.
I am your vengeance! I am your rage!
We are the Pale Hand, and we are the reason you need never fight alone.
Literally ddim yn te. Literally didn't.
That looks great. Thanks for the sneak peek.
Of course, and it's my esteemed pleasure to introduce Brent Gibson, Game Director of Diablo IV, Vessel of Hatred.
Hello, Gamescom! The team and I are so proud that Diablo IV is the type of game that has something for all gamers. And in Vessel of Hatred, it's no exception. We are hard at work at adding new ways to play and new ways to grow in power. Like mercenaries, ordinary people with extraordinary skills that you can hire to fight alongside you in your battle against hell. We're also adding the Kurast Undercity, an all-new multi-layered dungeon that gives you the control on the types of challenges you're gonna see, as well as the rewards you may get. And we also have the Dark Citadel, our brand new co-op PvE dungeon that challenges everything you know about combat in Diablo through a gauntlet of multiplayer puzzles and mechanics. We're talking about all of it right here at Gamescom. And so stay tuned if you want to see all the things that you're going to see in Vessel of Hatred, launching October 8th. And I hope to see every single one of you on the floor all the way through the show. So thank you very much. See you on the floor.
Thanks, Brent. All right, now we're heading to the hardcore action role-playing world of the first Berserker Kazan, set for 2025 release. Intense combat meets breathtaking 3D cell animation in a brutal world from Nexon. Coming to PC and console, let's witness the chaos that awaits.
The two wolves who defeated the beast will tear into the neck of the aged lion.
For years, I faced unrelenting fury, made countless sacrifices.
No, you're not.
And the result of my devotion was betrayal.
Yeah.
You will die. Emperor.
Much money.
You will pay for this. Join me, Blade Phantom. Then I will help you.
Okay, lots of little hinders.
Our alliance has been formed.
The constraints of the past are history. Here, you rule the way you've always wanted. Your choices will remake the world. And every turn becomes an opportunity to triumph. It's your world now.
Play it day one with PC Game Pass.
Follow my lead! Shut up! You can't even run properly! What the?
Ah, questa bisogna. Vieni va. Dark and darker. That's like a mobile. Oh my god. No, thank you.
Dark and Darker Mobile is now available for global pre-registration. Now from NetEase Games, this next trailer is a new life simulation game where players can travel among super-powered worlds to craft their island and engage with friends. Let's take a look.
What the hell's this? Games li anodd oherwydd mae Animal Crossing bodoli. Guarantee one of free to play about shitloads of apples disgusting. Some of your friends yn chwarae hwn rhywun. You literally ddim efo gaming friends.
All right, we got another game to show you which will take you on an epic global adventure. Indiana Jones and the Great Circle. Check this out.
What if I told you there was a connection between ancient cultures around the world? A great circle. Does it exist? Is it the key to some lost power? That's up to you to uncover.
Indiana Jones nummer 1.
I'm Troy Baker, and I play Indy. It's humbling playing a character that so many people, myself included, look up to. As a kid, seeing Indiana Jones in the theater for the first time was a defining moment for me. And I never would have guessed that all these years later, I would be the one wearing the hat. But here I am. It's been a dream come true. A dream that I cannot wait for you to live for yourself. The beauty of a first-person game like this is that we all get to feel what it's like to become Indy. You are the one who cracks the whip, who feels the weight of every punch and the thrill of finding every clue. Indy is such a unique character. Professor, an archaeologist,
lover,
baller, an explorer, the quintessential all-around adventurer. And this game has everything you'd expect from an Indiana Jones adventure. Mysterious artifacts, cunning villains, ancient discoveries, hard-hitting action. It's a world of constant danger where you've got to think on your feet to stay alive. The Great Circle spans the entire globe, from snake-filled jungle temples to scorpion-riddled desert tombs. Stunning open areas to explore freely, full of secrets for you to discover. And with more than just the classic whip and revolver, Indy's journal and his camera will immerse you in the mystery, providing extra info on all of your finds so you can appreciate all of the little historical details he obsesses over. And those details are your key to solving the ancient puzzles that hold the secrets you're after. But ancient secrets don't come easy. It's best to have an exit strategy. This is an incredible new way to experience Indiana Jones, and I can't wait for you to play it. Hold on to your hat.
Als de Game Pass... Nee, whatever.
Doesn't that look great? A world of mystery to explore. But you're probably wondering when the game comes out, right?
Tonight! September 9th. That Game Pass.
There you have it. Indiana Jones and the Great Circle is coming out this December for Xbox Game Pass and PC. But there is one more thing that Machine Games and Bethesda wanted to share with you about Indiana Jones and the Great Circle.
It will have sexy ladies and Hitler. Oh, no, PS5.
The game's coming to PlayStation 5 in spring of 2025. All right, before we wrap up O&L, we do have one final game announcement for you. Check this out.
Hideo Kojima.
This thing of ours, it's a brotherhood. Treachery and deceit do not exist among us. Do you wish to commit yourself, your life, to this family?
Mafia. You know, Mafia games. Mafia 5. Mafia 4. Yeah. Wydał się na Mafia skin.
I'm Nick Baines, president of Hangar 13. What you just saw is the first early look at Mafia: The Old Country.
Oh,
a thrilling story set in 1900s Sicily during the origins of the Mafia. We're going back to the roots of what fans love about the Mafia franchise, crafting a deep, linear narrative with that classic mob movie feeling. Mafia's success is built on our players' passion for the franchise, and we're so proud to return to Mafia with The Old Country. We can't wait to show you all more. Thanks for watching.
That was a fun surprise, right? All right, well, that is a wrap on Opening Night Live from here in Cologne, Germany. And we hope to see you again this December, December 12th, when the Game Awards streams live everywhere for our 10th anniversary show. It is going to be a very special night as we give you a sense of where games are going in the next decade. We don't want to say much now, but trust me, it's going to be a very special show. All right, well, thanks again to my co-host, Shox. Didn't she do a great job?
Thank you so much, Jeff. It was really great to be here. I hope everyone had an amazing time. And
I've had an amazing time.
Don't want to show you up, but vielen Dank, ihr Lieben. Ich hoffe, ihr habt eine super, super Zeit und viel Spaß auf der Gamescom.
Oh, the German.
Well done, German, as opposed to mine. I'm learning. All right. Thanks so much, Shox. Thanks to everyone. Enjoy Gamescom. Have a great night.
Indiana Jones. No, not going there. See you next year. Bye. Bye. Iawn, ia. Oedd o'n iawn, dweud? Dim byd massive. Dim byd really massive. So, yeah. Dwi'n meddwl. Beth ar wishlist. I wonder. Oh. Okay. Wishlist. Ie, gen fi enw oedd hwnna'n yn yr pre-show, mae'n edrych yn dda. Dragon Ball, edrych yn dda. Arcades, edrych yn dda. Goldcraft, edrych yn dda. Monster Hunter. Type 9, ddim edrych yn dda, cos oedd free to play. Dwi'n bach yn top. Bit of Fury, edrych yn dda. £47.50 yn sy'n sens. Mae hwn yn allan. Oedd yn mynd y game, ond fyddai'n chwarae hwn, de. 1000%. Swn i'n mynd os fydd hwn yn rhan o streamio fi. Dyna'i streamio hwn i gyd. Ia. Byddai'n streamio Final Fantasy 16. Just soon. Masters of Albion. Peter Molyneux. Do that. Spin. Yeah. So, yeah. Dwi'n gobeithio wneith rwy'n watchad fi ar y fod. Ffolc yn eb di watchad fi yma. Stream yn Gymraeg, ie. Ond nes i joio watchad o, ond ni'n mynd i watchad o anyway. Y fod i fyny. Tiwyd. Ie. Games, ddech ymlaen at. Rhaid, mae'n Indiana Jones na. Os byddai'n chwarae am ddim ar Game Pass. Ddech ymlaen. Fel arall. Ie, dim byd. Civ 7, dwi'n unig peth. Goro chwarae. Goro. Ei lladd. Ie, ar hynna na i adael yn y fod. Chwarae mi y fod, diolch yn fawr. Chwarae mi yn stream. O, na neb. Iawn ta. See you when you see you.